Hi, my name is Lauren, and this is our first unboxing video. Me, I just said that. Hi, my name is Lauren, and this is an unboxing video of our Everlasting Comfort ultrasonic humidifier. So the ultrasonic humidifier, some of the features that are important to note are it has a 6-liter water tank, it's filterless, it has an auto shutoff, and an essential oil tray. And today, we have our essential oils in lavender. So this is going to be our instruction manual, and we have some warranty information. Let's go. So, with some humidifiers, you can find that they use heating elements. For this one in particular, it uses ultrasonic, which means it's going to use sound vibrations in order to produce a vapor or a mist. To begin, let's see. For the components, we have a nozzle, which I assume the vapor would come out of, and then we have the decorative cover, a water tank, and a water level window, which is going to be over here. There are the knobs to turn it on and off, and from minimum to maximum you can, I assume, increase the intensity of the mist. And then there's an LED, which is going to indicate the amount of water is in here. For the essential oil tray, we have that on our left. It's kind of difficult to take out, but you'd put the essential oils in this tray where there's a piece of sponge. So let's plug it in and see how it works without any water in it. So this is the LED, and that would indicate the water, which you would fill up, I believe, in this container. And that can fit, I believe, the 6 liters of water. And then, let's see, in order to adjust that, we go on to the minimum max, but right now, because there is no water in it, it's going to be a red light. And when we turn it on, it should be green. So let's begin by filling up that water tank. So now that the water tank is full, we'll go about following the instructions in order to turn it on. I'm going to wipe it down. Alright, so it says to place the unit away from any heat sources such as furnaces and avoid direct light, avoiding blah blah blah. And then, let's see, twist, open the valve, we got that, I'm sorry about this. Okay, so we're going to reattach the valve to the water tank and reposition the water tank onto the base with the water level indicator, which is going to be this guy here. So, it's like this. Wow, that was bad. So right here we have how much water is there, and let's see the difference when the LED is off. You can see a faint line, but I suppose that enhances it just a slight bit. And then you can throw on the decorative element and see how the vents work. All right, So right now this is on the minimum level, and it seems to be coming out of the vents, but also on the sides of the decorative piece, as if it doesn't sit tightly enough. You can adjust these vents. It has a small interface for your fingers to move around. And then as we increase, the mist gets, it's pretty efficient considering the amount of mist that's coming out of it. I'm going to turn off for a minute and throw in some essential oils. Overall, the mist is really strong and efficient. I can't really smell the essential oils just yet. This humidifier goes for about $56, and that is in the lower range of humidifiers. But as you can tell by the amount of mist that's emitted, it does a pretty efficient job. And no matter its environment of the air quality or so on, it will continue to produce this mist. Okay, I guess that's another way to allow the mist to continue through. I'm going to see what it looks like under the decorative piece. There's a lot of condensation, and I believe when you turn it off, you can use the handle. I believe that was indicated on the first page, so you can refill the container. So as I grip this, you can see that this is where the water funnels into, but also interacting with it, my hand is obviously going to be wet due to the condensation, which is kind of inconvenient. So here you can see that there's the LED, which indicates the water level. This has been the ultrasonic humidifier by Everlasting Comfort, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do.
If you like this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe.